today I have a new setup today. I'm gonna get the tour because it's amazing. No, baby. But it's time for Markiplier quiz. I love this quiz. Next, baby PewDiePie, Yummy Mash, so many YouTubers that I don't know. Maybe Aaron too, if I get a good flower. Maybe do something. Which of the following games made Markiplier a lot more famous? A. Amnesia. B. FNAF. C. Markiplier Quiz. Or D. The Orphanage. Let's do the Orphanage though. What's the question? No. No. I don't know. What is it? Oh. Okay. Amnesia. Amnesia is a scary, spooky. Don't scared. Check up a kitten. That's a Markiplier. How do you beat FNAF 3? I didn't play that. I don't know. Just get killed Freddy. Is that Freddy in there? Yeah. There's Bonnie, Chica, Freddy. I don't know. Is that all? Okay. A. Play Night 7. High Five Golden Freddy. C. Tiny Box Team. Or play Atari games. What's Atari mean? I even know. A hard question right now. I know I watch Markiplier a lot, but Jacksepticeye is the boss! Hey subscribers out there, are you a fan of Markiplier? Or are you a fan of Jacksepticeye? No. Leave in a comment, there's a vote there. Hashtag Markiplier and hashtag Jacksepticeye. Mine is Jacksepticeye more, but sorry Markiplier. It's okay if you guys are in Markiplier. I'll be there too. I'm gonna watch Markiplier, but I love Markiplier and Jacksepticeye because they're a YouTuber and so famous. Oh no! What's Tiny Box Team? I know he's a box, but Tiny and a box team? My last one is Play Night 7. That's all I want. What game has Markiplier not played? A. Turbo Dismount. B. Geometry Dash. C. FNAF. Or Where's the Blacksmith? I watched Turbo Dismount. I watched Turbo Dismount. Geometry Dash. Oh! Geometry Dash! He's not playing that? Maybe play now. Do I'm gonna check. No, that's cheated. FNAF we play. What's the... Oh yeah! I know. Geometry Dash. It's my last question. Which of the following channels have Markiplier been on? A. Stumpy Long Nose or Head. Then maybe B. React. C. Elastic Squid. Or D. OMG Craft. React. Yeah, I know him. He watched. I don't know. That's a. It's disgusting. That's the last question. Which game made Markiplier rage super hard? Just put in E. A. Drunk Minecraft. C. Octodad. The Dadliest Cut. C. Team Fortress 2 or Drowning Simulator. Oh my god. He's Drunk Minecraft. Octodad. Maybe Octodad. I watched that. It's so funny. It's a funny moment. Go get to the tower. Yeah, like it's the Octodad. So Octodad. Well, thank you for watching this Markiplier quiz. Check up a kitten. This is tough questions because I am not fan of him so much. I'm fan of Jacksepticeye because he's a boss. Because he's a boss. Yeah. Mine is champions. Champions out there, subscribers out there, be a champion, and you will be in the top. Wait, What? That is all for this video. If you like, comment, subscribe, favorite, and share. Up, this channel will grow more than ever. And jump it fall. I have a present for you.